Hello, friends. I am a basket. Look at me carefully. I have nothing inside me. There are no fruits in me, so I am empty. Hello, friends. I am a basket. Look at me now.
I have many fruits inside me. Apples are inside me, so I am full.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Look at the page very carefully. This concept is called full and empty. Children, look at this basket. This basket has nothing inside it. There are no fruits inside the basket. So children, when something has nothing inside, we say it is empty. Can you say with me, empty? Now children, look at the next basket. This basket has many fruits inside it. You can see apples inside the basket. The basket is not empty now. It has fruits, so we say the basket is full. Let us say together, full. So remember children, empty means nothing inside and full means many things inside.
Hello children, I am enjoying the rainy season. Look around, it is raining everywhere. Rain makes me feel very happy. In the rainy season, we see puddles everywhere. Splash, splash, playing in water is so much fun.
During the rainy season, we use a raincoat, an umbrella, and gumboots. They keep us safe and dry.
Rain is very important for us. Rain is important for plants too. It helps plants grow green and healthy. Thank you, rain.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to learn about a beautiful season called the rainy season. Look at the picture carefully. In the rainy season, dark clouds come in the sky and it rains a lot. In the rainy season, we use special clothes to protect ourselves from rain. We wear raincoats so our clothes do not get wet. We use umbrellas to stay dry when it rains, and we wear gumboots to walk safely in water and mud. Children, rain is very important for us and for plants. Rain helps plants grow green and healthy. Children, I hope you understand how rain is important for us. Bye-bye. See you in the next.
Hello children, I am the letter X. Today you are going to learn about me. Look at my shape carefully. Hello children, I am a xylophone. I make sweet and happy music. I start with the letter X. Hi friends, I am a box. I start with the letter X. You can keep toys inside me. Open me, close me, I am fun to use. Hello children, I am a Christmas tree. I also start with the letter X. I am full of lights and decorations. I look bright and beautiful.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter. Look at the page very carefully. This is the letter X. X has two slanting lines that cross a other in the middle. Now children, this is a xylophone, starts with the letter X. A xylophone makes sweet music when we tap it. See how colorful it is. Children, now look at this object. This is a box. Box also has the letter X. We can keep toys, books or gifts inside a box. Now children, look at this beautiful tree. We call it an Xmas tree. Xmas starts with the letter X. Children, today we learned a new letter. Keep practicing the letter X on your page.
Hello children, I am number 7. Look on the page. Here are 7 sheep on the farm. When we see 7 objects, we say 7.
Hello, friends. I am a sheep. Our wool is very useful. Our wool is used to make warm clothes. It keeps you cozy in winter.
Hello children, we are 7 sheep. We live on a farm. We eat green grass every day and love to play together.
Hello children, look at the page carefully. Today we are learning a new number. This is the number 7. The number 7 tells us how many sheep are there on the farm. These sheep live on a farm. They eat green grass and walk around happily. Sheep give us wool. Wool is used to make warm clothes that keep us safe in winter. Now look at the dotted number 7 on the page. We trace the number 7 slowly. Start from the top, go straight down. Very good children. Keep practicing tracing number 7.
Story name is The Lion and the Mouse. A lion was sleeping peacefully in a forest. A little mouse began playing on him, which disturbed the lion's sleep. Angry, the lion caught the mouse and tried to crush it to death. The frightened mouse begged the lion to spare its life and promised that it would help him someday. The lion laughed at the idea, but let the mouse go. One day, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared loudly and struggled to escape. But it was no use. Hearing the lion's roar, the mouse came running. It began to cut the net with its sharp teeth. Soon, the lion was free. The lion thanked the mouse for saving his life. So children, moral of the story: everything has its own value.
Hello children, I am the sun. Today we are learning about the summer season. The summer season is very hot and sunny. In summer season, we wear loose cotton clothes. We wear shorts, skirts, and shirts. Cotton clothes keep us cool and comfortable. When we go outside in summer, we wear a cap to protect ourselves from the hot sun. Always take care of your body in summer season.
In summer, we feel very hot and tired, so we must drink lots of water and fresh juices. Water keeps our body cool and healthy.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about summer season. Summer season comes when the weather becomes very hot and sunny. The sun shines very bright in the sky during summer. Children like to play in water and enjoy cool places, but we must always take care of our body in summer. In the summer season, we feel thirsty very often. That is why we should drink lots of water every day. During summer, we wear loose cotton clothes. Cotton clothes help our body stay cool. We wear clothes like shorts, skirts, and light shirts. So children, summer is a fun season. I hope you enjoy learning about the summer season.
How old are you? How old are you?
I am 3 years old. Bye-bye now.
Our teacher will explain you more about this chapter.
Hello children, today we are going to learn a new conversation in English. Look at the picture on the page. Children, look carefully to girl is asking a question to boy. The question is, how old are you? This question is asked when we want to know someone's age. Age means how many years old we are. The boy child is answering the question. The answer is, I am 3 years old. When we talk about our age, children, when someone asks you, how old are you? You should smile and answer clearly. You can say, I'm 3 years old, or I'm 4 years old, or I'm 5 years old, according to your age. Very good, children. Talking politely helps us make friends and speak good English every day.
Hello, children. I am a snowman. Look around me. This is the winter season. Brr, it is very cold in winter. I wear a muffler to keep my neck warm. These are gloves. They keep my hands warm and safe in winter. This is my warm jacket. It protects my body from the cold wind. And this is my winter cap. It keeps my head warm in the winter season.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Look at this beautiful picture. This is the winter season. In winter season, the weather becomes very cold. We feel cold all around us. Sometimes we see fog, snow, and chilly winds. This is a muffler. We wear a muffler around our neck. A muffler keeps our neck warm and protects us from cold air. These are gloves. We wear gloves on our hands. Gloves keep our hands warm and help us from feeling cold. This is a jacket. A jacket covers our body and keeps us warm in winter. This is a hat. We wear a woolen hat on our head. A hat protects our head and ears from cold. Children, winter clothes are usually made of wool.
Bits of paper lying on the floor. Lying on the floor makes the place untidy. Makes the place untidy. Pick them up. Pick them up. Hello children, I am dancing. This is Bharatanatyam dance. I move my hand.
Hello, children. I am eating food. I eat my food slowly and neatly.
Hello children, I am sleeping. I sleep at night and take rest. Sleeping helps my body grow. Good night.
Hello, children. I am hopping. Hop, hop on one foot. Hopping makes my legs strong. Hop and have fun. Hello, children. I am reading. I read my book every day. Books tell us stories. Reading makes me smart.
Hello children, I am singing. La 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 makes Joes to seaful. Hello children, I am swimming. I swim in clean water. Swimming keeps me healthy. Splash, splash.
Hello, children. I am writing. I write with my pencil. Writing helps me learn. Practice every day.
Hello children, I am sitting. I sit straight on my chair. Good sitting keeps me healthy. Sit properly like me. Hello children, welcome back to our new session. I hope you are happy and ready to learn today. Today we are going to learn some action words. Let us look at the pictures carefully and understand them one by one. Look at this picture, children. The girl is dancing. She's doing a beautiful dance. Dancing makes our body flexible and joyful. Now look at the second picture. The boy is eating food. Eating healthy food keeps us strong and active. We must eat slowly and neatly. Now look, third picture, the child is sleeping on the bed. Sleeping gives rest to our body and mind. We must sleep early every night. Look, fourth picture, the child is hopping. Hop means jumping on one foot. Hopping makes our legs strong. It is a fun action. Look at the fifth picture. The child is reading a book. Reading helps us learn new things. We should read every day. Look, fifth picture. The girl is singing. Singing makes us happy and relaxed. We sing songs and rhymes. Look, seventh picture, the child is swimming in water. Swimming keeps our body fit and healthy. We should swim carefully and safely. Look at the eighth picture. The child is writing. Writing helps us learn letters and numbers. We should practice writing neatly. Look at the ninth picture. The child is sitting on a chair. We should always sit properly. Good sitting posture keeps us healthy. So children, today we learn many action words. Dance, eat, sleep, hop, read, sing, swim, write and sit. These are actions we do every day.